welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. Today's video, we are going to be doing your DIY nails at home. I've been meaning to put you guys on to this company because the nails are so good. They're great quality. So when I ran into this set, it was too pretty for me to not make a video. I had to put y'all on. So before we get started, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel and like this video. And without any further ado, let's get into it. I got these nails from TJ Maxx for only $12.99, and they were definitely worth every penny. In this kit, you are going to get the nails, of course, which comes in multiple sizes. I have really small hands, as you can see, but I did see some some bigger pieces, so I think they'll work for any hand sizes. Also, there's alcohol pad, they have a nail glue, they have a cuticle oil, which I've never seen before, so I think this is just added on, a nail buffer, and a cuticle pusher. Now, because I've been doing my nails at home for a long time now, I do have a drill and other tools just to make my nails last a little bit longer. But if you are a beginner or you just want to try this brand, I think the box is all that you need. I just have some of my favorites. For example, I'm going to use this glue instead of the glue that it comes with because it's just my favorite glue to use. It works and it lasts a long time. Before we get started, make sure you wash your hand. You want your hands to be free of lotion, oils, or just any dirt. Make sure your fingers are clean. I'm going to start off by cutting down my nails. Once I'm done cutting down my nails, I'm going to use this drill that I found on Amazon. I will link it in the description down below. But I've been using this drill for such a long time now. I really don't enjoy going to the nail salon because when they use their drill on me, it starts to burn a little bit, like it starts to sting, and that feeling just makes me nervous because I feel like I'm gonna bleed. So I decided to just purchase my own and do it at home so that I could go at a speed that's comfortable for me. The drill comes with multiple pieces so that you can do your hands or you can do your feet. So once I'm done buffing out my nails, I like to use this tool right here. I think it's called a cuticle pusher and a cuticle cutter or a trimmer. This is going to give you that salon look. It's going to make your nails look seamless, okay? Only tip I have when using this tool is to be careful, take your time, and don't rush it because it's very easy to cut yourself or to poke yourself when using this. And this is how my nails look after I'm done buffing it out and trimming up my cuticles. Next up, I'm going to use this alcohol pad to wipe off all of the buffing, all of the residue that's left on the nails, and then we're going to start gluing the nails down. This is the glue I'm going to be using today. I know the kit comes with its own glue, but this is my favorite glue and I actually need these nails to stay on. So I'm going to go ahead and use this glue. It's from Amazon as well, so I will link it in the description box below for you guys. I like to lay out my nails after I try them on because I want to know exactly where each nail is going to go. I want to make sure they match because once you put on that glue, it's over. You don't want to let the glue sit. You don't want to have any trouble, so lay out your nails before you start gluing them down. After doing my nails for so long, I found out the trick to having long-lasting nails or long-lasting press-ons is to make sure your whole nail is covered in glue so that when you do lay down the nail, there's no holes, there's no bubble. Another tip is to always try to find nails that is sturdy. Sometimes nails are too flimsy, like they bend and stuff like that. Those are not good quality nails. So find nails that has a sturdiness to it and it's stiff and the acrylic and the base is strong. You don't have to do this, guys, but I like to shave off a little bit of the top just so it could have a sharper look. And lastly, I love that the kit came with this, but it has a cuticle oil. We're gonna apply that all over our cuticles. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I really love my nails, guys. It's been 7 days and my nails are still on. Do you hear that? Yes, still on as we speak. So I definitely recommend this brand. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope that you enjoy and you learn something. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys when the sun rises. Bye.